Before I proceed, I would like to acknowledge and give thanks to Mama Nelly. Job well done, Ma. And to the siblings, Gingging, Bishop Joel, Brian, Pastor Brian, Pastor Nathan. Ano ba pinakalimutan? Kaya murag lupad akong nauna. Ano? Okay. 30 years of togetherness. Ups and downs, kalipay, kagulanan, kaso o uban pa. Karong next week, actually, if May 19 is the exact May 19 is the exact date of that 30 years. Imagine, I was just given a short period of time to give my tribute message to Bishop Hurley. And I say this morning, how could I squeeze or compress 30 years to 2 minutes or 3 minutes? Without more talking, this is my message about Bishop Hurley. Can you flash it? Akong message, akong gikuha, and mahilig man gud si Papa o akong name, no, nga message. So akong message is na adiri sa Earl. Ako wala. H-E-R-L. Ningon ang mga asawa kay nakulang ang imuhang kwan pa, letter. Kay Hurley man. Dili pa. Correct na. Because you know, those people who are very much close and dear to Bishop Hurley, they called him Kuya Her or Her. Yeah, feeling close man ko kay Bishop karon. So gamito na ako ng Her. Kini mga butanga mao ni mga butang nga nakapahimo kanamo unsa kami karon. H is this is Papa, heartwarming. Amin sa muyon. Makes people feel loved, safe, and special. We are trying, and I am trying my best to be heartwarming also, like my mentor. Grabe si Papa, presence pa lang niya. Mura bang tinuod tong ingon nga hilo mo, kay naa si Jesus. Feel love. Truly, in Him, there is no respecter of person. Mataas ka man or mababa, ang pagtratar po niya equal. Second, Bishop Hurley is encouraging, giving support, hope, and motivation. And I am a living proof for that. Don't you know that I don't want to become a pastor? Since I became born again, my first pastor, before he migrated to USA, he told me, I want to hear you became a pastor. And he has given me the Big Bible. But because of his encouragement, I am now pastoring our CLC campus at Kalinan. Letter R, Bishop Hurley is resilient. Stays strong in facing challenges and setbacks. May mga panahon, gikasuhan siya, but he is very resilient. Last, he is so loving. Gives genuine care, affection, and compassion without conditions. Extend lang muna sandali lang. May naalala po ako. One time, he was me, my wife, and Mama Nelly was invited to speak for a church anniversary, I think, somewhere in Cotabato. And after he preached, of course, pastor po, nagsasalita. Meron pong nare-receive na ano po yun, gift, no? Pero suddenly, he received a call from one of his colleagues, from one of the pastors, And nalalaman ko na lang po na may problema pala yung tao, kailangan niyang pera. And tumakbo po siya sa kaniyang mentor without any hesitation. Yung na-receive po niya na money, binigay po niya doon during that very day. Loving po masyado, very compassionate, very affectionate, without any conditions. Pastor Eugene said last Sunday, success
It's not innate.
is when you grow, but legacy is when you help others grow. Papa Bishop Hurley, me and my household will continue your legacy. Well done in our wisdom.